Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we showcase some of the coolest and most innovative tools in the industry. Today, we'll be talking about the top 8 cool tools from Ridgid. Ridgid is a company that's been around since 1923, and over the years, they've built a reputation for producing top-quality power tools and equipment. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list. The Ridgid aluminum straight pipe wrench is a plumbing tool used for gripping and turning pipes and fittings. This particular wrench has a length of 48 inches, making it ideal for use with larger pipes and fittings. The wrench is made of aluminum, which makes it lightweight and easy to handle, yet still durable enough to withstand heavy use. The jaws of the wrench are made of strong, heat-treated steel that is designed to provide a secure grip on pipes and fittings. The jaws are also replaceable, so if they become worn or damaged over time, they can easily be swapped out for new ones. The handle of the Ridgid aluminum straight pipe wrench is designed for comfort and ease of use. The handle is coated with a non-slip material that provides a secure grip, even in wet conditions. The handle is also designed to provide maximum leverage, which makes it easier to turn pipes and fittings. The Ridgid 2-in-1 close quarters autofeed metal tubing cutter is a compact cutting tool designed for cutting metal tubing with a diameter ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 1/8 inch. This cutter is specifically designed for use in tight spaces, where other cutters might not fit or have enough clearance to operate. The cutter features an auto-feed mechanism that allows for easy and smooth cutting of tubing, without the need for manual adjustment or repositioning of the cutter. The auto-feed mechanism also ensures that the tubing is cut squarely and cleanly, without any burrs or rough edges. The Ridgid 2-in-1 close quarters autofeed metal tubing cutter has a unique 2-in-1 design that allows for both standard and close quarter cutting. The standard cutting mode is used for cutting tubing in open spaces, while the close quarter cutting mode is used for cutting tubing in tight spaces. The compact size and design of this cutter make it easy to handle and maneuver in tight spaces, such as between walls, under sinks, or in crawl spaces. The cutter also features a durable and lightweight construction, with a rugged metal frame and ergonomic grips for added comfort and control. The Ridgid 15-degree 1 3/4 inch coil roofing nailer is a power tool used for attaching roofing shingles to a roof deck. This nailer uses a 15-degree wire collated coil nails that range from 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inch in length. The nailer is designed to be easy to use, with a lightweight and compact design that allows for easy maneuvering on a roof. The nailer also features a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue and allows for extended use without discomfort. The nailer has a durable and rugged construction, with a magnesium housing that provides added strength and durability. The tool also features a selectable trigger that allows for easy switching between single sequential mode and bump fire mode, depending on the job requirements. The Ridgid 15-degree 1 3/4 inches coil roofing nailer also features a tool-free depth of drive adjustment, which allows for quick and easy adjustment of the nail depth, ensuring that the nails are driven flush to the surface of the roofing material. The Toledo Pipe 311 carriage, 360 cutter, 811A die head, 341 reamer kit is a set of tools designed to fit on the Ridgid 300 threading machine, which is used for threading pipes. This kit includes several essential components that are necessary for cutting and threading pipes. The 311 carriage is a sturdy and durable device that is used to hold the pipe securely in place while it is being threaded. The carriage is designed to fit the Ridgid 300 threading machine and provides a stable base for the pipe to be threaded. The 360 cutter is a cutting tool that is used to cut the pipe to the desired length before it is threaded. This cutter is designed to fit the Ridgid 300 threading machine and is made from high-quality materials to ensure a clean and precise cut. The 811A die head is a threading die that is used to create the threads on the pipe. This die head is designed to fit the Ridgid 300 threading machine and is made from high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting durability and reliability. The 341 reamer kit is a set of reaming tools that are used to smooth and clean the inside of the pipe after it has been cut and threaded. This kit includes several different reaming tools that are designed to fit different pipe sizes, ensuring a clean and smooth finish on every pipe. The Ridgid 15-amp 10-inch table saw with folding stand is a powerful and versatile tool designed for cutting a variety of materials. The table saw features a 15-amp motor that delivers up to 4,800 RPM, providing ample power to cut through thick and dense materials. The table saw comes with a 10-inch blade that is capable of making precise and accurate cuts. The blade can be easily adjusted to different angles and heights, allowing for a variety of cuts to be made, such as rip cuts, cross cuts, bevel cuts, and miter cuts. The table saw also comes with a folding stand that provides a stable and secure base for the saw. The stand can be easily folded and stored, making it convenient for transportation and storage. The table saw also features a large tabletop that provides ample workspace for cutting large materials. The tabletop is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and stability while cutting. In addition, the table saw is equipped with a variety of safety features, such as a blade guard and anti-kickback pawls, which help to prevent accidents and injuries during use. The Ridgid Micro CA25 handheld inspection camera is a compact and portable device that is designed for inspecting hard-to-reach areas. The inspection camera features a 4-foot cable that can be inserted into pipes, ducts, and other tight spaces, allowing you to see inside and identify any potential problems. The camera is equipped with a high-quality lens that provides clear and detailed images of the interior of pipes and other areas. The lens can also be adjusted to different angles, allowing you to get a better view of the area you are inspecting. The inspection camera is lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for use in a variety of situations. The camera features a comfortable grip that allows for extended use without discomfort, and it is powered by a rechargeable battery that provides ample power for extended use. In addition, the Ridgid Micro CA25 handheld inspection camera features a bright LED light that illuminates the area you are inspecting, allowing you to see clearly in low-light conditions. The Ridgid 200 PSI 4.5 gallons electric quiet compressor is a powerful and efficient compressor designed for a variety of applications. This compressor is capable of delivering up to 200 psi of air pressure and has a tank capacity of 4.5 gallons, making it suitable for both professional and DIY use. One of the unique features of this compressor is that it is designed to be quiet while in operation. It has a sound level of only 77 decibels, making it much quieter than many other compressors on the market. The compressor is also equipped with a powerful 1.0 horsepower motor that delivers ample power to operate a variety of air tools. The motor is designed to be durable and long-lasting, ensuring that the compressor will provide reliable performance for years to come. In addition, the Ridgid 200 PSI 4.5 gallons electric quiet compressor features a compact and portable design that makes it easy to transport and store. The compressor is also equipped with a number of convenient features, such as an oil-free pump that requires minimal maintenance and a built-in pressure regulator that allows you to control the air pressure output. The Ridgid heavy-duty pipe cutters Model 3S are powerful and reliable tools designed for cutting pipes quickly and efficiently. These cutters are ideal for use in a variety of applications, including plumbing, construction, and manufacturing. The cutters feature a strong and durable construction that allows them to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. They are made from high-quality materials and are designed to provide reliable performance for years to come. The cutters are equipped with sharp cutting wheels that allow for quick and precise cuts. The cutting wheels are easy to replace, and the cutters feature a large adjustment knob that allows you to adjust the cutting depth to suit the size of the pipe you are cutting. In addition, the Ridgid heavy-duty pipe cutters Model 3S are designed for ease of use. They feature comfortable grips that provide a secure and comfortable grip, even when cutting large or heavy pipes. They also feature a convenient thumb screw that allows you to quickly and easily adjust the cutting depth.